Hi everyone! In today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nyo ma-check ang inyong digital driver's license. First of all, punta lang kayo sa portal ng LTO, which is portal.lto.gov.ph, and then mag-sign in lang kayo sa inyong account, and then if wala pa, mag-register lang kayo. So since ako may account na, I will be clicking on login. Dito, ilagay nyo yung credentials nyo, which can be your email or your LTO client number. Dapat kabisado or meron kayong copy lagi ng inyong LTO client number kasi kailangan nyo lang yan lagi kapag kukuha kayo or magre-renew ng license. And then, ilagay nyo na lang din yung password nyo as well as yung security code. Itong security code, pa iba-iba yan kada login mo. And then, once na you're in your account, just click on Digital ID. Once you click on Digital ID, agad-agad na nalalabas ang inyong digital driver's license. Nasa bungad lang talaga or homepage lang siya ng inyong LTO portal. At kung wala namang problema ang license nyo o lisensya nyo, walang magiging problem sa paglabas nito. Lalabas yan agad. And you can see your both front and back of your driver's license. Just click on the two arrows sa gilid para ma-view mo yung likod or back part ng inyong driver's license. And katulad to ng inyong physical driver's license. Ang digital driver's license or e-driver's license ay pwedeng ipakita sa LTO or enforcers kapag kinakailangan.